Mr. Speaker, the World Health Organization has unequivocally recognized child marriage as a harmful practice with severe health implications for those involved. Child marriage, which refers to the marriage or union of individuals under the age of 18, irrespective of consent, is deemed a violation of human rights, particularly the rights of children. This practice often denies them the opportunity for holistic physical, emotional, and social development. The repercussions of child marriage are profound, including increased risk of yearly pregnancy and childbirth complications, limited educational opportunities, and vulnerability to domestic violence and abuse, and higher rates of poverty. Regrettably, our state of Sarawak bears the unfortunate distinction of having the highest incidence of child marriage in Malaysia. The Sarawak Women for Women Society, an NGO, has voiced deep concern regarding this matter and has initiated a petition garnering so far a total of 734 signatures, urging the Sarawak State Government to take immediate action to combat this issue. Currently, under Sarawak Sharia law, the minimum age for marriage differs from males and females. Male must be at least 18, while females can marry at 16. However, Sharia judges are allowed to approve marriages even for those under 16. Customary marriage, on the other hand, lacks specific regulation, resulting in rural children being particularly susceptible to early marriage without penalty. Consequently, SWWS called upon the state government to address this issue seriously. Firstly, they urged that the tabling of a bill in this August House to amend the Islamic Family Law Ordinance 2001, thereby increasing the minimum age of marriage for females from 16 to 18 and eliminating all exceptions that permit underage marriage. Secondly, they request that the Council for Native Custom and Traditions secure the consent of all community leaders to raise the minimum age to 18 by this year. Lastly, they propose the formation of a special select committee to investigate and report on the policy, implementation, prevalence, causal factors, and solution to child marriage in Sarawak. Mr. Speaker, the time has come for a legislative reform. It is one of the crucial measures that can be implemented to combat child marriage. While I concur with the Minister, the Sarawak Women, Child Development and Community Welfare Minister assertion that collective responsibility is necessary, encompassing parents, school, religious and customary institutions, non-governmental organizations, community leaders, and the community itself. Let us not overlook the crucial role of the state government in addressing and preventing child marriage. It is crucial for the Sarawak government to ensure that existing inadequate state laws and policy are tightened as soon as possible to eradicate child marriage. Closing legal loopholes that enable child marriages to occur with parental or judicial consent is all that is required.